Hello and welcome back to Macuse Signature Kitchen. Today I'm making my crispy golden fried plantain, which is banana peze, my way. Let's go over the ingredients. Plantain, salt to taste, complete seasoning to taste, parsley for garnish, and oil for fry. Start by washing and peeling your plantain. Rinse them and cut them in 2 pieces. Once your oil is nice and hot, drop them in. Let them fry until they are ready to remove. In the meantime, prepare your garnish. Once ready, take them out. And this is where the magic starts. Flip press each piece flat. In a bowl, add a little water, salt, and your favorite seasoning, in my case, complete seasoning. Dip each pressed plantain just enough to coat. Then put them back in the oil. Let them fry until they're perfectly golden, crispy, and irresistible. And just like that, your banana peze is ready. Have fun plating. Don't forget to add a little parsley for that fresh, beautiful finish. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe to Macuse Signature Kitchen for more recipe made my way. See you in the next one. Voila, enjoy!